Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up carpet detection on the MOVA V50 Ultra. To do it, you'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner and find carpet cleaning settings. Now the carpets are always automatically detected, but you can check and change what will happen if the robot gets on the carpet. What you can do is you can set up your own carpets, which I'll show you later. But let's look at here. So vacuum, it means it will only vacuum without mopping, and it will lift the mop, as you can see on the picture right here. When I click on more settings, it actually lets me decide whether I want to lift the mop or remove the mop pads. It will automatically remove the mop pads because the robot will automatically go into the station and remove the mop, then clean the carpets, then return to the station, put the mops on, and continue cleaning. And now mop lift is a feature that will just lift it without removing, which takes less time. You can select different options. Clean carpet first means that it will first clean all the carpets in all the rooms, then the other areas, which minimizes the time needed, and also doesn't make the mops that are soaked in water a little bit get the carpet wet, because the mops will be dry. And also what is important here is that it will I think it will take more time to clean the carpets first. Now there's carpet boost, which you can enable, so when the robot gets on the carpet it will boost the suction power. You can also enable intensive carpet cleaning, which will make the robot reduce its speed and clean carpets twice. And then side brush rotating on carpet can be enabled or disabled. Now let's go back and let's see avoid. That will make the robot just go around the carpet during cleaning. Ignore, which means it will go on the carpet, and it's suitable with environments where there's no carpet or where mats can be mopped. That will make the robot just not pay attention to incorrectly recognized carpets, and it will also move faster because it won't need to try to recognize carpets. Then ignore crossing carpets, which means the robot will cross the carpets but will disable vacuuming and will disable also the mopping. So yeah, these are the options here. I'll leave it on vacuum, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.